Now, that's basically where we made use of those other things. So, yeah. Hello, guys. Welcome to Beatbender Studio. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the beat of the week. Yes. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing henceforth. Like, at least once in a week, we're going to give you the beat of the week, which is just going to be something simple that you can, get inspiration from or build upon, as you go along in your own production journey. Like here with us, we do the concept of less is more, and that's basically how we operate. Yeah, don't forget the fact that you're dealing with an African dude here. This is coming all the way from Nigeria, right? And so that's why we make use of sometimes some local drums and things like that, just from Africa to spice up some of the things we do. So you can make use of yours, make do with the kind of instrument that you feel is appealing to your own kind of people. And even though music is a general language, you can actually use your own style, your own local style to appeal to the general audience. Do you get? But then it starts with your home first. So that's basically how it works. So let's go. Welcome back. Beat of the week, the very first one. Let me see. So let me just play it first so you hear what we're dealing with, and then we'll start breaking it down. It's simple, very simple beat, kind of like, yeah. So let's go. Go. Yes, there you have it. So we have some local drums in there, basically our own local drums, and then if you listen, you also hear some like vocals like the wow and things like that. We just put everything in on the drum programs. That's the local drums program. And if you check the second track, I think that's where we have the hip hop kit by Timos Lee. Now that's basically where we made use of those other sing. So yeah, that's basically just it. And this will fit in very well if this was supposed to be part of the chorus, right? Because if we're doing maybe like using the other beat, we could put everything else together and make it just, to be kind of like the verses without this guy. Then we can introduce like if I mute it and then we'll play. Hear it. That is actually a good one that you can choose to even like rap upon if you want to. Like I like a lot when my beat doesn't have a lot of elements that will start competing with the vocal, especially when you're doing the rap music. Like people need to hear that the content also matters when you're talking about rap beats, especially as in rap songs, especially. People need to be able to hear the rap as the vocal as well as they should be able to enjoy the music. So something simple, and then you can now choose to add a little bit of maybe like all those your other synths and some piano things like that. It will now make sense. And I like to fill in blank space. I don't just like to put beats up on one beat upon the other. I like to fill in blank space. If you take a clear listen, you realize that majority of my shakes, the hats, they are very audible because I put them inside in places where we have pause, places that they will actually still be heard. Let me go to the third track. I think that's where I put the auto snares and everything. Let me solo it and then we hear it. You see, just this, and this guy. The open had a close act, and then we're talking of the conga. So it's just like one need to quickly just pause for the other to come in, and then it needs to be audible enough. And even when you're dealing with, put that in mind when you're dealing with tracks, then when you're dealing with like group of tracks together now in your entire sequence. So let me come back here to track 2. Let me mute this. Yeah. See now the two of them, so that is track 1 and track 3 together now. This is what you get. Very, very audible. So, like I said, very simple enough. That's just the beat of the week for you guys. Yep. Beat of the week for you guys. So, nothing serious, nothing much. And then I can even go ahead and rap on it. Do you get? So it's actually kind of like very simple, straightforward. Let me see if I can do some justice to this guy. Um, let me see what we got here. Let me unmute this. Would I want to? Nah. Okay, let me mute this guy still. I'll take it from the top. Then when I'm out, then we'll see what we get. Okay, so let's go. Let me give you some time to breathe. Yeah, I'll take it after now. I didn't arrange, I didn't do anything. I just had to jump on it direct. Yeah, these local drums banging in my head, just like an elephant stomping the yard. You already know I'm the beat bender. Get with chill with me, cause I'm a beat tender. Take you to Ibiza for a pizza, take a picture. Later to Iceland for some ice on the cream. I was gonna ask, can you handle the heat? But now I'm all lost, cause you got me melting. Woo! Check that out now. You see, something like that. So always like try to make your beat as simple as possible so that when the audio bounces on it, it's very easy and very simple to just for people to hear, and it makes a whole lot of sense that way. That'll be all for now on the beat of the week, and we'll see you in the next one. Yep, let's go.